Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good afternoon to everybody. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Okay, let me first introduce our school, SMK Kota Marudu, which is located in Kota Marudu, which is a rural area. It's 2 hours drive from Kota Kinabalu, and the school have 1,817 students, consists of 131 teachers with 17 non-teaching staff, 58 classes including lower 6, 2-session school. We have students who stay in a hostel, 400 students stay in a hostel. So that's a little bit about the school. And here with me is senior assistants, Wanda Yang Kursia, and our YDP of PIBG, Encik Mujin Yurin, and Encik Azrul Kumar is the officer from the state level. First, let me share with you the journey that we took and may take, and we are taking. We are doing it now. So first is the inception during 2012, and then actually there is we improvised the slide, but we didn't give to Justine. The implementation, monitoring, evaluation, and a little more in the implementation, and then we would like to be a thinking school in 2016. Hope so. Okay, what we are doing in the inception phase, every year since last year and this year, what we did is we introduced the usage of thinking maps to the Form 1 student during the orientation period. Okay, this is to make sure that all the new students able to use the thinking map correctly, and then it is reinforced in the classroom during the teaching and learning process. We also do the mentoring of the teacher who we think that having a problem with all the using of the thinking maps. We do have drive teams, and then we don't forget, because SMK Kota Marudu is a school where parents like to their kids to study in, and we will receive almost every day we will see parents asking to transfer the students into our school. This means we have a lot of new students, and then also we have new teachers, so we have to give them also the introductory course every now and then. And then we have a supportive drive team, which are very, very active in the school. And then we also appoint junior drive teams in every class. These are student drive teams. They help teachers, they help their friends in the classroom to manage their, I think, maths. And then, of course, we have strategic plan for acting program. And this is picture where our coordinator giving talks to students. And then for the implementation, then this is a picture of teachers using the thinking maps in teaching and learning. Some more thinking maps. And this we can see the example of thinking maps in the student's notebook. This is also in the student notebook, and then this is some of the students' work. Okay. Okay, besides in the classroom, what we did is we tried to incorporate the thinking maps in the school beautification project. So this is done early this year. It's near the entrance of the school. It's done by the student. Okay, then we do monitoring as other schools did. Okay, undertaken by principal and all the senior assistants, also by the drive team, the heads of department, the subject head, the teachers, subject heads, and then one, I think it's a little bit unique maybe. We use an observation sheet, special sheet, to observe teachers that have the criteria on the using of thinking maps. Okay, we also have evaluation, postmortem and evaluation conducted during, I think, drafting committee meeting, which discuss all the problems arise and how we're going to solve it. Okay, collaboration of ideas during subject head committee meeting. Student work also assessed by teachers, and then subject head teachers and head of department and junior drafting. Okay, developing, I think, module for teacher. This one I would like to share because we really did this module 46 different module have been done. And we have, I think, gallery to collect all the materials, getting financial support. This is the module that have been done. This is all the collection in the, I think, gallery, which I think will be a good reference for all teachers and in my school, or maybe for the visitors. Okay, this is the school culture and the thinking map. Okay, it's debate the weaker student to be on par or with the excellent student, not as the achievement, but then I think the way they have the ability or the chance to study as well as others. It's provide a platform for cooperative and collaborative learning. Foster positivity among all as learning become meaningful and fun, produce students who are able to work independently. This is an example of how the student using the mind map and I think this is a pay and share. And for teachers, the thinking map also motivate teachers when they have or they see the change in student attitude. So it's open door for self-discovery and lifelong learning among teachers. There is more emphasis towards student-centered teaching and learning. This is what we can see what change that happened in teachers. So I think that I thank you.